Hello everyone, I'm back with a new another exciting video on email marketing analyzer. This wi- this in this video I have made a data taken a data set from Kaggle and then do some pre-processing, and then I have decided to make a dashboard on it, and finally I made that convert into a dashboard as per my uh, desire. I have converted that data, and then I made this by my own. So let me go through let me show you my data set which I have taken from Kaggle, and in this time I have used Power BI to make a dashboard. So this is the firstly let me okay, this is the data set. This is the data set. Let me show you the data set which I have taken from. Okay, this is the email marketing data analysis, and this is the data set you can download from here. So it's a very easy and handy mm, data set, and a very low, uh, approximately 10,000 rows and 11 columns, which is nominal for me to analyze on it. So let me open this data set. What the actual data set, because I used data cleaning in my data set, so it roughly around 7 to 8 columns remain, but actual the data set 11 columns. Let me show you the 11 columns of the actual data set. So this is the actual data set. uh, my PC is quite slow. Okay, okay. And the first column is the column just ID, which is not necessary for me, so I just removed from my dataset. uh, just removed from my dataset. And the second one is the type, which type of business individuals. See, as per my convenience, I have converted the data, so whatever the columns I have to use in my dashboard creation, so I have made it I extracted from the original dataset, and further further column I just removed. So mm, uh, in this dataset my work is just to take extract the status, city, state, and gender, birth, no, not birth, marital status, enrolled on, and the living status. This was the only my data set data which I have to uh, create. Let me show the. I have used Python on this data set, and let me show that. I have made a Python for I have used Python for cleaning my data set. Let me show that one. Notebook that's loaded in this untitled Python notebook, and okay, uh, for import the dataset, I have just taken the library pandas as PD. Then I just loaded the dataset. This one is the negligible, so it can be neglected. Actually, the library error in my dataset in my computer, so that's why I have to install the pip install open py excel. because we are importing the Excel file. So this one is the data set which contains 10,000 rows and 11 columns. And data head is this one, and the shape of the data is 10,000 into 11. Type data type in the type is individual 9,736, and the business is 264. Same for the city, and the same for the city. This one is also can be deleted. Uh, can be deleted. So this is the actual data set which I have tried to in the pandas, using pandas. And this one is the, let me show the data I have loaded, and this one is the data I have loaded in Power BI. So I filtered the status, city, state, gender, marital status, enroll date, and enroll time. I have splitted the enroll date and time from one single column, and my living status is this one. So, and I have pre-processing the all the data set, which which is very helpful for extracting the data. Now let me show the my dashboard. This one is the basic dashboard which I have made by my own. So in this data set, here you can see that the gender, how many male and the female and the others are very much active in the email. So this one shows the approximately 6,772 male and 2,896 female. It means 29.9%, approximately 30% of female uh, are using the email in a particular area for email analysis, and remaining 70% are male. So if okay, the how many unmarried and married are using the email in all over the India, so that it shows the 9,434, and unmarried are using the 2,251. So the top five customer by the state. Basically, this data set contains a business proposal. If a company have to start or organize a campaign in a particular state or particular district, so they have to analyze this data. So I have analyzed it. So the top customer by the state, the first one is Telangana, second one is Maharashtra, third one is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, then Delhi. So here is the top customer by state is, it means the most of the customers are from Telangana, then after Maharashtra, and so on. So the active user status. The next one is the active user status. It's in K format, so that's why it shows zero here. Here you can see that. Uh, okay, if it is in number, so that then it will give a certain number. But if in K format, that's why it's giving the 0K. So it's a some number. In 1 minute, let me show this the number. Why it's not showing? Okay, it's a very slow, it's a very low number, 15. So that's why it's the graph is very much low. Active user status, okay. And then people sign up by the living status. So it's a couple. This one shows the This one shows the couple with children's. This one shows the couple with couple only couple, and this one shows the single. So according to this, all the data are manipulating and adjusting according to these buttons. So here we can see that all the data are each and every data are connected to each other. So top 10 users by city. The top 10 users by city is the Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Mumbai, uh, Hyderabad city, Thane, Bangalore, New Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and so on. The top 10 city. And the another one is the user active by year. Here we can see that. Let me maximize this. Uh, okay, the user activity by year. It shows how many users are enrolling in for that company in 2000 quarter one, only 1.3k, and for quarter two it is 2.0k, and in quarter three it's 3.7k. That's increasing from the previous one. And in the quarter 4 it shows 2.6 thousand. So at last this one is shows the total number of users are enrolling in that company is the summation of these 1, 2, and 3, and 4. These four. It means 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8, 8, 6.3. Okay, 9.7. Okay, it's the next one is total active users. This shows the total active users in that company. Let me check the male and females. It will give the according to that. Uh, the total active users of male is 9.69 thousand, and total active of users in female is 2.90 thousand. It adjusts according to the data. Okay, I have just seen that. Let me try some new things, which is uh, let me check the female, unmarried, female unmarried. Okay, as you see that the female unmarried is very much active in this Andhra Pradesh, the first one, Andhra Pradesh. Female active users, female unmarried users are enrolling in the company is active is 0.3k, and nothing in this chart is showing. It means okay, it's a single, so that's why here you can see that the point is giving. Okay, and in the top 10 city, it is from the Hyderabad city. Okay, and okay, now the female unmarried is in quarter 4, and total now is 251. So it means in quarter 4 all the unmarried girls are enrolling in that company, and the total is this one. And the last one is the total active users in of unmarried girls is this one. So if I change the married girls, so according to that the data changed. Wow, unmarried. Okay, okay, the data changed. As you can see that the data changed and adjusted according to the selection. And let me check the single one. Okay, here we can see that the single one very low, 1.60k. and uh, the active users in the quarter is also increasing or decreasing as per the convenience. The top 10 company and top 10 cities from Hyderabad, and then after Secunderabad, then Mumbai, and so on. And top 10 customers by state is that's Telangana. Okay, and the active users is very much very low in active in users. So this is the whole project of mine to creation of a dashboard, which helped me a lot of new things and a lot of concepts about the Power BI. That's all from my side, and that was my whole project. And that was my whole project. And soon I will upload my next video on dashboard creation. So that till then, bye bye. Thank you.